Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mohan and you are watching Affiliate Influx. So guys, we are at day number 10 of 1 funnel away challenge, that is a 30-day program to build your own sales funnel. And if you have not watched my earlier videos, please go and watch them so you can understand this video in a better way. And if you are new to my channel, please go and subscribe to it and press the bell icon so that you will get all the upcoming notification for my videos. So let's get started with day number 10. Let me share my screen. Okay, so in day number 10, we will learn how you can create an order form bump for your product. Now, if you are new and you don't know about order form bump, so basically order form bump is an extra sale with your main product, and you can have that order form bump just between the credit card information at the order button. Once your customers have entered all the details of credit card, and just before pressing order button, you can have an order form bump. In that order form bump, you can offer a product which can be the byproduct of your main product, or can be an add-on product for your main product. And user only needs to click on one button and they can buy your product. So when there were no social media and the internet was started, people started selling online. But at that time, there was a system. I mean, you can say like it was order from bump at that time. It was a traditional way, but it's not as actually order from bump. But there used to be a lot of sales pages. So once you selected one product, and when you try to enter the details and you try to buy it, you will get a new page. It will be an upsell page, and if you say no to it, you will get a downsell page. And once you say no to it, you will get again upsell, downsell, upsell, downsell. So earlier there used to be a lot of pages, and once you enter into someone's funnel, it will be very difficult for you to get out of it. Maybe it will take like 10-15 minutes to do no, 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 no to all, and then at the end you can buy the product. And at that time there were no system of feedback. So the product owners who were selling those products, they had no idea about the customer experience. But later on, when they came to know that due to their so many upsell and downsell pages, customers were very unhappy because product owners were making money instantly, but it was not good for the long term because the customers were unhappy. Then later on, once they came to know that customers were unhappy, they came with a new concept called order form pump. So here is the example of order form pump. You can see once your customer enters and they click the button of your product, and they will ask to enter this credit card information. And once they enter this credit card information, there will be a small block and there will be a place to tick this. And once they tick this, and they will order the product along with your order form bump. The hardest part of the sale is your customer is entering the credit card information. Once he enters the credit card information, it is very easy for him or her to click on one button and order the same thing again. So that is the main reason. It is just after the credit card information. Once they fill it, and they will see about this product, and they will see offer, and they can buy it in just click of a button, right? So you can see this is an example again, example of order form pump. So here user has already entered the information about the credit card, and they need to click on this button. And again, as we have learned in the previous videos, that this is kind of selling out of fear. So if you have put on one offer that it is just only few seat left, or only few item left, only valid for today, then people will buy this out of an urgency, and they will click on get it delivered or order, and they will buy your product along with your order form bump. Okay, so what can be the order form bump product? So your product will be the main product, and the byproduct of your product can be the order form bump. So let's understand with an example like what can be the order, what can be the order form bump, what can be the byproduct for your product. So suppose if you are selling a book, so transcript of that particular book can be a byproduct, can be order form bump that you can sell along with your book. An audiobook of that particular physical copy, you can sell it as an order form bump or as a byproduct, because sometimes people buy the hard copy and they do not read it because of many reasons. But if they have the audiobook, it will be very easy for them to play at any time, when they are in gym, when they are riding, or when they are driving, whatever situation it is, when they are walking, they can listen to that particular audiobook. So that can be the byproduct of a physical book. Sorry, if you have a course which you are selling, you can have a webinar as a byproduct of that. If you are making music, then all the making of that particular music, the video, that you can provide as a byproduct or order form bump. So if you are selling some edible item, then a recipe video of that particular item can be a byproduct, and that you can sell as a order form bump. Again, so there are, so just think from your perspective, what is your business, what is your product, what is your service, and how you can deliver the byproduct of that, or how you can deliver some extra product as a order form bump to get an extra sale from your business. So this is all about day number 10. You will learn how you can create order for bump up for your product. So if you talk about the assignment, so assignment is also the same. You need to create one order form bump for your product. Okay. So framework by product ideas. So there are different ideas, like what can be the order form bump for your product. Like they said, there can be templates, there can be contracts, there can be swipe files, checklisted software, videos, audio file. All those things can be your byproduct, and that you can sell as a order form bump. So this is all about day number 10. And whatever we have learned today, it is just a brief information out of the whole session which Russell Brunson takes in his 30 days program. And apart from that, there will be 2 hours of implementation call. So I would request, if you are a business owner, if you're running an agency, if you have any product, and even if you want to do affiliate marketing, please join the One Funnel Away challenge, because this will be a major shift in the mindset of yours, and you can do the business in a better way. You will have a different perspective. If you want to join this One Funnel Away challenge, link is in the description. Please go and buy from my link, and you will have a lot of good offers or good bonuses waiting for you. So I'll meet you in day number 11. Till then, take care. Bye bye.